Hello and welcome to daily vlog number 3. We have a bizarre day today. The sun is out, but it's like not really out. It's not going to be for long. That is going to turn into rain in the not too distant future. I have mounted that cleat. Let's see if I can show you guys what the cleat looks like from inside. Sorry for the close-up. So that's where the bolts come through. We have 2, 3. Off camera I tightened them. I need to tighten the outside too, which I'm going to do now, and then I'm going to carry on with other work. So let's see how we go today. Right, so we've got this setup. I have been routering. It's a bit difficult to do, but I'm going to keep trying it this way. I can definitely risk going a little deeper now. So let me do that. So this has given me a bit of a area to work with. I don't mind. It's, oh man, I'm so close. I'm literally one peel of the veneer. I don't want to go any closer. I very nearly did over there. This I can just lob off with a chisel, but that gives me something to work with, and I think it should be good enough to put the piece that I need on there. Right, let's see how that goes. Put epoxy in this hole, as much of it as possible. And then epoxy here on the board. Now it may not look like much, but there's plenty of epoxy here, and it will do a really good job of tying this all up. And I definitely want a little bit of squeeze out. Okay. Let's see how we do. I do have these gloves on, so I'm thinking this is probably actually the easiest way to get some of this epoxy on the edge here. Oh yeah, this is definitely easier. Alright, so the plan here is to knock this into place ever so slightly until it's right in the corner. Now unfortunately, hammer is right here on the camera, okay. I want to go all the way in and all this way in. Boy, look at that. And then sometime tomorrow, or what I imagine will be in a few days, this will be pretty good. Alright, it's got a decent amount. Once this is in, I'll use that as a guide and I'll router a new strip and I'll put a new strip in there on this side. And then I've got one to go into there. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it all in one go because I wanted that recess to go inside that cavity and meet up with the board from the other room. So thankfully, that has happened. There's a bit of squeeze out. I think over there is a tiny... Yeah, I don't know that I can get that any harder in there. And it is a little bit proud of the original with the veneer on. Although they are the same size. Okay. Alright, so here's that piece of ply we've just done to give you guys a really good look at it. This was my main concern. I wanted this to fit in and go all the way in and meet up with the bulkhead on the other side. To me, that's more important than up there, or even here, which I can fill in and will do so in coming weeks. It would have been nice if it wasn't proud, but it is way up against the veneer. So it can't get any better than this. Alright, so that's one task semi-done. That is what it's come to, so I can't do much more. So that's going to be the end of our third daily vlog. I'll see you all tomorrow, and hopefully things will improve and I can do more things on my list. Cheers guys, thanks for watching so far. Let me know what you think of the daily vlogs and subscribe. Bye.